Take the corresponding yarn. Place the leather label on the right side of the scarf. Secure the 4 corners. Random stitch pattern for the swatch. Sew securely. After determining the position, first sew 1 stitch on the wrong side of the fabric to secure the yarn tail. Then insert the hook into the first chain space. Pull the yarn through. Then thread through the adjacent second chain space. Pull out. Gently tighten the yarn tail. Thread through the adjacent chain space again. Pull the hook out. Continue inserting into the adjacent chain space. This secures the right side. Then sew 1 stitch to secure. Then pass the yarn through the fabric underneath the leather label to the other end. In the same way, secure the left side. After completing, on the wrong side of the fabric, sew 2 more stitches. Make a knot. Weave in the ends. This secures the leather label. Up to this point, the making method for this product is completely explained. If you still have unclear parts during the process, don't hesitate to join our Facebook group to get supports. Susan's family, supporting your handwork experience, sharing the joy of life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.